Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to stop face unlock on Motorola Moto G87. First you have to go into settings and navigate to security and privacy. There you have to go into device unlock and face and fingerprint unlock. Confirm it with your PIN and select face unlock. Press on setup. And here you have face unlock options. You can choose to skip lock screen when unlocking and lift to unlock when you raise your phone to look directly at the camera, so your phone will be unlocked. Now you have to scan your face, so I'll do that and be right back. Now we press done, and if we lock our phone, and point the camera at us, the phone will be unlocked. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.